Hello all, this is Komli from BVC Engineering College Odal Revu Autonomous. Today we will discuss about shunt clippers. In the previous video we discussed about series clippers. Now we will discuss about shunt clippers. First of all, what will be the operation? We'll see. Operation will be here the diode will be connected at the output port in series clipper, either in two directions, either in one of the direction. Whenever the diode is in on condition here, then there will be no output. Whenever diode is in open, then it will have some output. Here also the diode in if it is in on state, there will be no output. If it is in off, that means it will be in reverse biased condition, then only we got the output. That is the operation of a shunt clipper. Like shunt clippers, we will discuss about shunt clippers. Like series, we have 6 no. So each one we have to discuss. First one is positive peak clipper. That means positive peak should be removed. That is first one we have to draw our input, and this is our input, and this is our required output. In the required output we have only negative peak. So the design will be, so it is the input port. At the input port we have a resistor with resistance R. This is VI that we are supplying our input right here. So here we have to connect the diode. So we have to decide the direction for the diode, which terminal has to be connect here. We have to decide. So whenever positive peak will occur, if positive peak will occur here, the diode should be in forward biased condition, then there will be no output. So positive peak appeared means positive voltage. When positive voltage is connected to anode, then it will be in forward biased condition, then it will act as a shunt line, then there will be no output. So we are taking here the output. Now let's see what will happen. So VI greater or equal to 0. For positive values of VI, what will be the diode condition? The diode should be in on state. If it is an on state, it will act as a short circuit. So there will be no output here. It is 0 volts. Okay, whenever VI less than 0 means negative voltage will appear here, then it will be in reverse biased condition. Diode will act as off circuit. So it is in off. Whatever the input we are supplied here, that will be presented our output. So V0 will be equal to VI. So now the transfer characteristics. So we are taking our input on x-axis and output on y-axis, and it is 0 for all greater values of VI. For our greater values of VI 0, it will be of 0 voltage. For lesser values of voltage 0, it will be equal to VI. The output will be equal to VI. So this is our input. Where the DC line is present, here no. So this portion will be clipped. So this portion, only the negative part will be present at the output. So this is the total operation of positive peak clipper. Second one, negative peak clipper. So negative peak clipper means we are clipping our negative peak, and this would be our input, and the required output will be like this. So whenever positive peak will occur, the diode should be in reverse biased condition. So the design should be like this. We have a resistor here, and this is VI, and we have to connect a diode, no? So positive peak, it is in reverse bias, so we have to connect cathode there. So this is cathode, and anode. Across here we are taking output. Let's see the operation. So for Vi greater or equal to 0, for greater values of 0, this should be positive. Positive means the diode is in off. If the diode is in off, it will act as open circuit. It is open circuited, no? So what will be the input we are supplied, that will be presented output. So for Vi less than 0 conditions, that diode should be in on. Why? Because negative will become, no? So negative will appear, cathode and negative. So it will be in on state. So V0 will be acts as 0 because it will act as a short line. Whatever the voltage come here, that will go to earth. So now let's see the transfer characteristics. So again Vi on the x-axis, V0 will be on y-axis and 0. For greater values of 0, it will be of Vi. V0 will be equal to Vi, no? So we got an ohmic line. So for less than 0 values, it is having 0. So where the DC line will present here, no? So this part will clip, only positive peak will be there in the output. That will be the required output now. So this is the positive peak clipper. So third one, positive peak above reference level. So let's see, this is our input. Let the reference level should be here. So positive peak above reference means what? This portion will be clipped. So the required output will be like this. So we have to connect a reference voltage, that is a fixed voltage VR, to in series with the diode. So we have a resistor here, and we have to connect a diode and a reference voltage. So we have to set the directions for, we have to set the polarities and direction for the diode and polarities for VR. So see, at the output, we got the output whenever the diode is in reverse biased condition. So here we got negative peak, no? So negative peak means we have to connect the positive, that means anode terminal here. Why? Because whenever negative peak occur, it will open circuited. Then we got all the negative portion, but in the positive portion up to VR, the diode should be in reverse biased condition. So if it should be in reverse biased condition, we have to connect the positive polarity to VR. Okay, to the cathode, the positive polarity of VR should be connected. Now let's see the operation. Vi less than VR and Vi greater or equal to VR conditions. Vi less than VR condition until VR, what is that? It is of, let us assume it is of 2 volts, it is of +5. So which should be more positive, and this should be more positive, then diode will be in off. It should be more positive, no? So diode should be off. So what will V0? V0 will be equal to Vi. It is open, no? So it is open, no? So whatever the input we are supply, that will be presented output. If Vi greater or equal to 0, VR, so it is +7 now. So this will be in positive and this is a negative state now. So positive is connected to anode, no? So diode will be on. This is a shunt line. So shunt line, no? So across this shunt line we got an output of VR. So this is our operation of this circuit. Now let's see the transfer characteristics. So this is Vi and V0 and 0. So let's set VR here. This is our reference voltage. So we are also here also. So for greater values of VR, it should be equal to VR. It is a DC line. For lesser values of VR, it should be equal to, the output should be equal to Vi. So we got an ohmic line. So write note our, so where the DC line will present here, no? So this portion will clipped up. Only this portion is present at the output of the total negative peak and some part from positive peak. So this is the operation of our positive peak above reference level clipper. Now the fourth one, negative peak above reference level. So this is our input. So for negative peak we are taking reference level here minus VR. So above reference level means this portion will be clipped. So the output will be like this. Okay. So here we got a negative peak there na. So in the design, so we have to connect a diode and a reference level. We have to set a reference level here. So V0 and this is Vi. Okay. So we have a negative peak over there here. Negative peak is present, no? So for the negative peak we have to connect our anode. Whenever negative peak occur, it will open. So up to minus VR, what will be the diode condition? The diode condition should be positive, forward. The diode condition should be forward biased. Forward biased means that we have to connect the negative terminal. So why? Because whenever it is in forward biased condition, then there will be no output is present at the output port. For that reason I am connected like that. So it is VR, anode, cathode and diode. And let's see the operation for Vi less than minus VR conditions, for Vi greater than or equal to minus VR conditions. So what is the diode condition? What is the output? We have to know. So let's see. For Vi less than minus VR conditions, that means these conditions, less than values. For these conditions, less than this, for example, this is minus 5. Lesser values, it is of minus 7. So which is more negative, it has more negative, no? So the diode should be in off state, then output will be equal to input. For it is minus 2, which is having more negativity, and this portion will be have more negativity, then the diode will be in on state. So output will be equal to minus VR. Let's see our transfer characteristics. This is Vi and V0, minus VR and minus VR. Minus VR is here, no? For greater values, the diode should be in on. So value will be minus VR. For lesser values, the diode is in off. V0 will be equal to Vi. So let's draw our input. So where the DC line will present, this portion, no? So this is our output. So we got this, no? Our desired output. So this is the operation of negative peak above reference level. Now fifth one, positive peak below reference level. So below reference we have our input like this. Below means this portion will clip. The desired output will be like this. So we have a resistor at the input, and we have to set the directions for diode and reference voltage. So for this output, the positive peak will present. So we have to connect diode like this. Whenever positive peak occurs, the diode should be in reverse bias state. So we have to connect cathode here, and up to VR, the diode should be in on condition now. Why? Because whenever it is in on only, then only we got the output like this. So we have to connect positive. So plus minus, it is a fixed voltage VR. So Vi, we got output here. So let's see the operation. So for Vi greater or equal to VR, for Vi less than VR conditions. For Vi greater values of it is a fixed voltage 5. For greater values plus 7, it is more positive, then the diode will be in off. So output will be equal to input. If it is lesser value, that is plus 2, so which has this has more positivity, so the diode should be in on. So output will be equal to, across the shunt line we have VR na, so VR is the output. So with the VI, this V0, so VR should be taken here, VR. So greater values of VR, what is the diode condition? It is an off. So up to here we got an ohmic line. After that, for lesser values of VR, we have a DC line. DC lines means VR is a constant value, no? So DC voltage will be there at the output. So this is our input where the DC line is present. So this portion will be clipped and only this portion will be present at the output. So we got this output. So this is the operation of positive peak clipper below reference level. Now let's this is sixth one, negative peak clipper below reference level. So this is our input. Reference should be minus, no? Minus. So below reference means this portion will be clipped. The output should be like this. This is our desired output. So we have an resistor here, and set the direction of diode. We have a positive peak. We have a positive peak, no? So we have to connect anode here. No, sorry, a cathode here. Whenever positive peak occur, because of this cathode, it should be in reverse biased condition. So then only we got the positive peak. So up to minus VR, what will be the condition of the diode? The diode condition should be in reverse biased condition. So we have to reverse biased this diode. So for that reason I am connecting a negative terminal here. So across this we are taking our output. This minus is plus. So again, VI less than minus VR condition, VI greater than minus VR condition. For it is a fixed voltage minus 5. For less than values, it is of minus 7. So which is minus 7 means minus 7 is of, it is of forward bias, no? So diode is an on, then we got V0 as, across the shunt line we got minus VR. For greater values of minus VR condition, so it is of minus 2 for example. So which is more negative? This is more negative now. So diode is an off state now. So V0 will be equal to VI. So let's see the transfer characteristics. This is VI and this is V0 and 0. So VR should be here minus VR. So for greater values of VI, we have an ohmic line, that is V0 will be equal to VI. So for lesser values we got a DC line. So this portion will clipped, only this portion will be there in the output. We got the required output now. So this is the positive peak below reference level. By this way we have to design all the clippers in shunt format. Hope you understand about this. Thank you.